Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this modern looking picture frame is everything I wanted it to be to display my unique artwork and photographs. Because it is acrylic and translucent, the picture frame allows you to float an image right in the center. The size is 8x10, but you can float something smaller. There are little fasteners inside, so if it's larger than 8x10, it will get in the way of those fasteners. So just be aware of the size of what you're trying to frame versus the actual frame size itself. It's clear in the center, but the outside edge has this beautiful blue look to it. Anywhere you put it, it's gorgeous. Modern and durable. You can stand it up on its own. It doesn't need any other support. You can use it horizontally or vertically, and because it can stand up on its own, you can really place it anywhere in your home, but it comes with an adhesive hook for the back, a bracket that you can place, so if you want to hang it on the wall, you can do that as well. And again, both vertically and horizontally. Easy to use, and they also included a cleaning cloth. Because it's so clear, you're going to get fingerprints on it, so that cleaning cloth really comes in handy in keeping the surface clean. So whether you want to use this for artwork, for photographs, or documents, I also use it for documents at work. I appreciate the fact that it's so modern and durable, but it really looks beautiful under any circumstances and any decor wherever I place it. So this picture frame has really been everything I'm hoping for. It's the 8x10 size from MFoffice, and it's in the blue color. And that is my point of view.